what's going on. It is currently Monday the 6th. It's like just after 9 o'clock. I can see that. And I am actually getting ready to hop on these charts. I'm doing my pre-market analysis. We got market opening in about 25 minutes. I'm liking buys for today. US 30 looking like it might go bullish, but we're just going to wait and see what's going on. You already know we're live with the VIP Trading Network. If y'all want to join the VIP, I'm going to leave the link to join in the description of this video. Today is going to be our first day trading live on Twitch, so definitely make sure that y'all check out my Twitch. Pardon me, y'all. My appearance is a little crazy. I got my onesie on today. I don't feel good. Just playing the music for y'all in the background. I might turn my camera off in a little bit. Just waiting to see if we catch a trade. Looking at buys from this area, but I'm a little bit iffy, so we just sitting on our hands for now. We live in the VIP network, yo. If you want to join VIP, use code FIRST50 for your 50% off your first month in the VIP chat. We getting active. 30 might have took off without us. We're waiting to see. Hopefully it give us a little pullback to our entry area. I still like buys. Just waiting for right now. We had a little low impact news flash PMI, nothing major just now. So that's why I kind of pushed up like that. We're just going to wait, let it kind of settle down. Hopefully it come back to our entry and we catch a move today. Sitting on our hands for now. We might have missed our move, y'all. I should have got in when that wick was in these gaps right here. So all good though, we're waiting. Market just opened, so it's fresh. A little salty though, I ain't even gonna lie. We would have been looking at something like this. 100-point stop. 1 to 2. Right? Crazy. Would have been almost at TP. 1 to 1 about right here. So we would have been at break even right now. Not gonna lie, but that's alright. All good. We just gonna wait. Might come back for us. I don't know if it's gonna come all the way back to entry, but we're just gonna be patient. Wait for something else. US 30 dead cooking without us, man. This would have been a lit trade from entry. We would have went break even, no drawdown, bro. This is crazy. Runner would have been going off. All good though. We waiting. See if we catch something else in the next hour. If not, all good. We back at it tomorrow. Let's just wait and see for now. 30 might come back for us after all. We're gonna wait and see. Sitting on our hands for now, being patient. Regardless, a no trade day is better than an L. So we're gonna see what it's given. Got like 40 more minutes on here. We'll see what's up. That's plenty of time to get TP. I like the exhaustion right here in this area. We also had a pullback where we tested this structure that was broken. It's a 38.2 retracement on the fibs. Nice little exhaustion down here. Bullish engulfing candle right here. Take it up to the negative 27 extension, then we're going to be out. 100-point stop. We're going to see how this plays out. We're looking for a nice wick down here, complete this exhaustion, and then continue pushing up. Market found structure right here. See, all of these wicks are like touching. 1 touch, 2, 3, 4 touches. So I'm looking for price to respect this area right here and continue pushing up now. Price is doing exactly what I'm expecting it to do, and it's respecting this area right here, and it's pushing up. So we're just gonna wait, hold it out, see what it does. I want to see this candle, this next candle, close above this previous bearish candle. If we could get a closure above this, that would be great, especially after all of this exhaustion. And then we have this little doji right here, so if we get a nice bullish engulfing candle right here that closes above this candle, that would be beautiful. Definitely. If this next candle closes above that support line, then its price is technically still respecting support, so we're gonna hold and see what happens. When this candle closes with this bullish engulfing, I could technically take another entry, but I'm already risking about $1,000 on this trade, and this is a prop challenge. So if it was a live account, then I would definitely take another position, but right now I'm just gonna play it safe. It's like my first trade on this challenge, so not loving this downward movement too much, but also we did just have a 1 hour candle closure, so it's kind of expected. I'd like to see it kind of print a wick here and reject off of our support line and then continue pushing up. But if we get a break and close below our support line, that's not really a good sign, but we do want to see it reject off of that blue support line. If we continue to see it close above here and reject off like all this wick rejection right here, then we'll be in a good spot. We'll consider all of this right here, everything under here, to be exhaustion. So we want to see it respect this area and our blue support line, and we'll see what happens. We have a 1 hour resistance over here. I'm going to stretch across, see if we respect that and continue pushing up. I do like that. If we can keep this closure above this line, I definitely still have the confidence that we're going to go up and hit TP, but we're going to see what happens. It's still respecting our exhaustion zone right here, and I also, like I said, it's respecting that 1 hour resistance that's now support, which was also lined up with, look what we have right here, those swing highs that I was talking about, that I wanted to see them respect around that 50% of the fib retracement. So this still looks good. We want to see this close above here. I'd love to see this candle close above our previous support line, or the next candle at least close back above that line, but this looks good right now. Once we break above these highs, we should be good to go. But I want to see this next candle close above the support line, and I'd love to see it close above the open of this bearish candle. We want to see it close above this high. Give me a nice bullish engulfing pattern. Should take off from there. This candle's looking real good so far, but we still got like 2.5 minutes left on it, so we're just gonna wait and see what happens. But I definitely love to see it close as a nice bullish engulfing, because then we also have what we call, here we go, we got a low, and then this will be a higher low. So I would love to see that happen, but we'll wait. Always wait for the candles to close. All right, now we cooking. That's what I wanted to see. So we want to see this continue to push up. I'd love to see it break these highs right here. Once we break these highs, we're probably going to retest that 0%, and then we want to see it continue to that negative 27 extension. But we're looking good right now. All right, I definitely want to see a closure above these highs. If it doesn't close above these highs, then that could give me some reasoning to want to get out of the trade. We do want to see it break above and break and close above these highs before we see any type of retracement to the downside. I wouldn't want to see this come back to my entry point before breaking above these highs. So right now, this wick touched this wick to the T, and it's respecting now this resistance on the 0% of the fib, which was the previous highs. So we're going to see what happens. This candle closes in less than 1 minute. All right, come on, US30. We just need about like 10 or 15 more pips before we hit TP. This looks really good though. We cooking now. Took us all morning. We missed our first entry, but this one is not a bad trade at all. So not too worried about this little retracement. It's probably just coming back to test these highs that it just broke. This was a little consolidation area. Remember, I did mention that we would be looking to see price break above these highs and then come back to test them before we hit -27 extension. That's definitely always a possibility, so we're not going to be too worried about it. But what I may do here is go ahead and put my stops into profit so that this is a risk-free trade now, so we cannot lose. I'm closing right here. I'm over 1,000. I'm good with that. We got the trade. Here we go. We made 1K on that, so we're up 1K on our challenge right now. This is my 100K Apex challenge. So look at that. TP just got smacked too. Let's go. Beautiful trade. All right, folks, we done for the day. Y'all catch me here same time tomorrow. See if we catch another move.